Hello, my name is Dan Sitzman. I am the president of the Metropolitan Science and Engineering Fair and want to give you an opportunity to see how to register for this year's fair. The first thing that might be helpful is to find all the information that you need to register. So, for example, a teacher might provide you some information here that is in purple to let you know what information that you need. So we have here, you know your first and last name. You'll know if your project is an individual or a team project, and so on. So all this information is needed. The next thing to do is to go to the MSEF registration page. Make sure that you've completed the rules wizard, which you should have done prior to your experimentation. And then make sure that you have these pieces of information ready. Your entry fee, make sure you've talked to your teacher or your parent on how that will be paid. Form 1, Form 1A, the research plan, Form 1B, and any other forms that are needed. I'm now going to click on the link to the registration form, and now I will start entering that information. So I will go ahead and enter my name here. I'm doing an individual project, so I know that I'm working by myself. I will click Next. I will enter my grade level. And since my name is often mispronounced, I'll put a phonetic spelling in there so that somebody might be able to understand that my last name is said Molina. I'll put in my school name here, my school address, and now my project title. Now, one of the things I've had to do is figure out which category I want my project to be in. This does not guarantee that your project will be in that category, but it gives the MSEF judges an opportunity as they're sorting through this to make sure that like projects are worth each other. So for my project, I really think it's a chemistry project, but I could also see where it might be an earth and environmental science project, and it also could be considered a energy chemical project. So now I will put my parents' first and last name here. This is for contact information. And now I will put my sponsor's first and last name and their email address. And their position. Now I'll put my sponsor's institution, their phone number, my abstract. This is where I'm going to pull from my files. So it might be helpful to have all the forms and things that you need put together into a folder. So at this point, I need to enter the abstract. So I will open up my abstract. And at this point, all I need to do is copy and paste that into the field. So copy, paste, make sure I got all my words in there, and now I'll move on. Now, what am I going to do with all my forms, 1, 1A, 1B? Well, I have all those right here, so I can do an electronic upload. So now I'm going to add the forms that I need to submit. And this includes my research plan, which is different than the report. And I believe I have everything, so I will go ahead and click upload. I would then will click Next, and then it asks me if I'm going to submit the pre-recorded video now or sometime before February 5th. Since I already have it, I am going to submit it now. And I am going to provide the links to it. So I have my files also in a cloud, Google Drive or OneDrive. So I will go through and provide a link to the video, and I'm going to make sure that anyone with the link can view it. I do not want them to edit it. I'll apply, copy the link, and I will put that here for the judges to view. I also have a slide of my poster that I can drag back over. So now I'm going to move my poster over into here and then click Upload. And then finally, my research report. And I'll slide that over, click Upload, and now I can click Submit. If you have any questions about registering for MSEF, please talk to your teacher and have your teacher contact MSEF if there are any questions. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing your presentations at this year's Metropolitan Science and Engineering Fair. Thank you.